Hi, I'm Christian from Northstar IT, and this week I want to talk about the naughty step. So a couple of weeks ago, we were approached by a prospective new client. They were having a problem with their online banking. It wouldn't appear to enable them to log on anymore, so they called us in. They're a neighbouring business not far from here. I guess it made sense to call one of the neighbours. So, maintaining social distancing, we collected the PC from the doorstep and brought it back for testing. We quickly found out that it was highly likely one of the reasons that they weren't able to log into their online banking anymore was the fact that they have still been using a computer with Windows 7. For those of you who've been paying attention, Windows 7 came to an abrupt end. Wasn't exactly headline news because we've been talking about it for so long at the beginning of the year. In the case of this particular bank, they've been flagging up a warning for a number of months that they will no longer support Windows 7, and if you continue to try and log in, they will sooner or later block you. The reason for this is Microsoft has ceased all support for Windows 7, which means it no longer receives any security updates or patches, which you could compare it to a bit like a colander. Potentially, people are finding security holes in it to take advantage of. Now, I don't know about you, but you wouldn't want to use a colander as a flask. So would you want a leaky operating system to look after your data, or more importantly, your money? So in this case, it was an easy solution. They could either upgrade the computer or replace it with a swanky new, super fast Windows 10 based one with newer technology, faster components so that they can do their work more efficiently. Now, they did the sensible thing. They opted for a new machine. But in some cases, whether it be for affordability or a faster turnaround, we can also do upgrades too. So now they're using an ultra secure computer to access their banking quickly, efficiently, and most importantly, successfully. So if you want to stay off the naughty step with your bank, speak to your IT support company and make sure all of your Windows 7 computers are comfortably, safely, and with the ultimate peace of mind retired. Until next time.